Wow, man.
You can hear the music also.
I can look at the number of screens you have open.
Hear the music? Yeah? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay, come on, let's start, okay?
Hey,
Jingle
jingle
bells,
Bells,
jingle
jingle bells,
way.
all the
Oh,
way.
what fun it is to ride in
ride in
one
one
open
sleigh,
sleigh.
dashing
Through the
through the
snow
snow,
in
One
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 horse
horse
open
open
sleigh.
sleigh.
To
Just
the
shouting
fields
we
we
go
go, laughing
laughing
all
all
the
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 way.
way. As our
as
songs
songs
are
will
going,
away.
making
Making
spirits
spirits
bright.
bright.
What fun
What
What
it is
fun
to
it is to
ride and
ride
sing a
a
sleigh
sleigh
song tonight.
tonight.
Tonight,
Jingle
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 bells,
jingle
all
all
the
the
way.
the
way.
way.
Oh, what fun it is to
To
ride
ride
in
in
a
one
horse and
horse open
sleigh.
sleigh.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle
All the
way.
way.
Oh, what
Is
fun
to ride in
In
one
one horse open
open
sleigh.
sleigh. Hey, we
Go,
go. And
jingle
all our
bells,
neighbors
jingle
ride.
ride.
And soon
And
Miss
soon
Fanny
Miss
Bright
Fanny
was
was
seated by my
by my
side.
side.
The horse was
horse was
in
in
hand.
And
Misfortune seized his lord. He ran
we ran
into
into
a
a
drifted bank, and there
and
he
there we
got
got
upstairs.
upstairs.
hand.
Bells,
Jingle
Bells,
bells,
jingle
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 bells,
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 jingle
jingle all
all
the
all
way.
the
Come
the
on, break
way.
dance, clap hands.
way.
What
What
fun it is
fun
to
to
ride
ride
in
in
one
one
horse
horse
open
open
sleigh.
sleigh.
Jingle bells,
Jingle
jingle
bells,
bells, jingle
jingle
all
all
the
the
way.
way.
Oh, what
What
fun
fun
it is
it is
to
to
ride
ride
in
in
one
one horse open sleigh.
Jingle bell,
Come on, put your fingers up.
Bells jingle all the way. Oh, it is to ride on a horse open sleigh.
And all of you, beautiful. Beautiful. All of you. I mean, all of us are bathroom singers, by the way. Huh? I didn't know we are so good at bathroom singing. Anyway, so super good evening. Can I hear a good evening from all of you, please?
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Nice and loud, Shaina. Come on, give it one more try. Good evening.
Good evening.
Wonderful, excellent, and a very warm welcome to New Start Toastmaster Club. So Santa Claus is real, okay? So don't think it's real, it's not real. Santa Claus is real. So Saint Nicholas was an orphan. His parents died when he was young, leaving him with a huge amount of money. In his town was a family that had lost everything and was so poor that they had nothing to eat. The family had three daughters. Each one was about to be sold into slavery in order to pay off the debts. The night before she was going to be sold, the eldest daughter washed the stockings and hung them to be dry. When she woke up, she saw a lump in her stockings. Reaching in, she found a small bag. Inside the bag was enough gold to save her from being sold. And the man who put the gold in was Saint Nicholas, known as the Santa Claus for children. My name is Ian Fernandez. I am not a Santa Claus, but I am going to be your sergeant at arms for tonight's 38th meeting of New Start Toastmasters Area 31, Division I, District 105. So can I request all of you to put your right hand on your heart and repeat after me the club's mission statement? We provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which we members are empowered to develop communication
and
and leadership
leadership
skills,
skills
resulting in
in
greater self-confidence and
and
personal growth.
personal growth.
So we are about to start a club meeting, and before we do that, can I request you to please put your phones on silent? Thank you so much. Now, in Toastmasters, we refrain from three taboo topics: sex, religion, and politics. And in case of fire or any emergency, then please follow the exit sign mentioned in your building. And during the meeting, a very humble request: if your kids are in that very lovely, playful mood, then please mute your microphone. This session is being recorded and will go live in a couple of hours. So if you don't want to be seen, then please let us know and we will somehow find a way to hide you. But do keep your cameras on so that when speakers are delivering their speeches, this will not only help the speaker get the energy from you, but will encourage, motivate, and uplift them. And before we start, let me take this opportunity to welcome our one and only dynamic and young president of New Start Toastmaster Club, simply the most scrumptious thing on two legs, Miss Anita Naidu. Let's give her a big round of applause. Over to you, Miss Anita.
Thank you so much, Ian. I think I missed the first half because my internet was having a problem. Okay.
If you want, we can start again.
I think we need to ask the TMOD if she's okay with it. Thank you so much, Ian. I just entered when you were launching me, and I love to listen to all those adjectives. It might not be real, but it feels so good to listen to it and try to feel real about it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ian. Once again, I hope I've not missed any of your yoga dance, right? I was only worried about that.
Jingle bells.
Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Anyways, we can do it once again. Siji looks wonderful.
Absolutely stunning.
Yes. And Shaina, oh my God, everyone is so Christmassy. Shobha, where is your Christmas cap?
There she's got.
It was there all the while.
Oh, wow. That's totally different. Wonderful. Prasad, yours is missing. Prabhu, come on, Christmas Raghu. Christmas.
I have Christmas tree. If you want to see my Christmas tree, see.
Wow.
Not behind that.
Okay, well, at least have a virtual background. Use the virtual backgrounds which were posted so that we can all, it can look like a Christmas evening.
I love Santa Claus and this thing here.
Yeah. Are we getting any secret?
There we have a Santa Claus and the elf.
Oh, wonderful. Do we have a Santa cat also?
It's very nice.
Nice, Lema.
See this?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
We know.
Yes.
You know you're mute.
You know you got lucky with another husband? I don't understand that.
Very good one.
Okay, guys. Okay, welcome. Welcome to, I think I need to officially open the meeting. Yeah, another 12 meetings and we should be celebrating our golden jubilee. Okay, I'm using this pen, if you can see it, to officially open our meeting number 38 as the president of New Start Toastmasters Club. Okay, I don't have much to say today except that finally, we are all coming to an end of this totally devastating, but yet a good teacher called the pandemic year 2020. So many expectations. Expo is coming, that is going to happen, boom in industry, boom in business, this, and everything went kaput within no seconds thanks to the Chinese. Okay, whoever it is. And the worst thing is, we still don't know what is the reason behind this particular pandemic called Corona. We still don't know. We've given it the Corona title, but we just don't know what is the reason behind this happening. So the only mantra that we can all follow, that too being in a health Toastmasters club, is that we're going to maintain our immunity levels, not here at your eye level, but much above your standing height. So eat good, feel good, think good, and do a lot of breathing, do a lot of yoga. We have yoga masters on board. We have breathing masters on board. We have counselors on board. So please make use of them left, right, center. That is why we've taken them into the club. Okay. So having said that, I don't want to take much of your time. We have so much more to do, but this is going to be our last meeting this year. In the next year, we're going to open with a bang with contests, club contests. And we have some very enthusiastic people already, with coming up with excellent speeches. They're all set to hit it very, very hard for you all. And I hope New Start is going to, really make a big break this time in area contest. Whatever it is, every participant, every contestant is definitely glorious. So we'll keep that, we'll keep our spirit growing, we'll keep our Toastmasters spirit growing, come what may. And remember, Toastmasters is in your life for your benefit. So make the most of it, enjoy. Wow, Auntie Ji, you're looking excellent. Lovely. Okay, so having said that, what I will do now is, I'm going to move. Do we have any guests on board? We do have a couple of guests. Maheshwari, who is Maheshwari? 7816 Maheshwari, that's the name.
That is Maheshwar, right?
Maheshwar, is it? Who's Maheshwar?
Mahesh is my son.
Okay. We had a guest, I think, but she's just left. Must be Raka's friend. Okay. So we don't have guests. We don't have any new Toastmasters. So I'm not going to repeat any of the president's speech, which is very, very original. And all of you know by heart now. We'll just move ahead. We have beautiful Toastmasters from the Rendezvous Ladies Club who are supporting us today evening. Welcome, Shweta Ajay. Welcome, Jisha. Welcome, Sweta M. We have a junior and a senior Sweta over there. And welcome to our Gaveliers, Navneet. And who is the timer? Navneet is the timer. We have one more Gavelier also, right?
Ayush.
Ayush is with you. Okay. And Maheshwar is, if he's there, if he's not a Gavelier, he's our guest tonight. So welcome to all the little ones here and to Gerald's boys also. And let's kickstart this meeting today. To take this further, what I'm going to do now is call our Vice President Education. He is going to give us a little insight on the different levels achievement of each member's progress in education part. So can we just open our hands and clap for Toastmaster Prasad to give us an insight to the member progress? Toastmaster Prasad?
Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, we came to the end. Yeah, we are just at the end of the year and the half year of the Toastmasters year. And like in the last 6 months, we had done good progress on our pathways. In total, we had achieved 8 educational awards, and wherein like we had achieved 2 level 3 2 level 3 have been completed by one by Raj Lakshmi and one by Toastmaster Ian, and we had completed 2 level 2s by Gerald and by Ram, and we have 4 members completed level 1, Prabhu, Nazim, myself, and Anita. So just even the other members are also very close on completing their levels. I am just looking forward from each one of the members their continuous support and dedication towards completing their individual pathways. And the XCOM team is always there to help you and support you. Thank you. Over to President.
Thank you so much, Prasad. I think, yes, we are progressing very well and we're going to see many more awards coming in. Most of us are aiming for the Triple Crown. And please update your education. One second, I'll just change this. Yeah, please update your education levels on your base camp and send it for approval to the XCOM. Yeah, if anybody has not done it, and keep educating yourself, keep reading more. Now, time for me to call somebody very, very special. Somebody is going to give us virtual gifts, not real gifts. Okay, and she's going to treat us to virtual cake, virtual gifts, virtual merits, and virtual songs and everything. So let's see what our Toastmaster for the day has with her new and very exciting theme for the day. I'm not going to talk about the theme, definitely not. But yes, I can make out from whatever she's been doing on the group and otherwise also behind the scenes that she's to all set to launch today's theme. So who is the Toastmaster of the day today, by the way? Has she come? Is she here?
I'm here.
Oh, wow. Okay. Let's welcome our one and only, ever progressive, always trying to use all the words of the day and introduce all the new things. And she's a memory bank. So our powerful memory bank, Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Raj Lakshmi. Yay! Raj Lakshmi, the stage is yours.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Anida. I'm quite surprised. Are you referring me only? Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, we all celebrate Christmas, right? Most of us. Yes. As an introduction, Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ, the Son of God. It is believed that Jesus had died once and came back to life again. The word Christmas is related to Christ Mass, which means the service which only happens after the sunset and before the sunrise of the next day, means the midnight. And thus we get the name Christ Mass. From Christ Mass, the name Christmas arrived. And there are several stories, and nowhere, even in the Bible also, it is not mentioned that December 21st, 25th is the date of birth of Jesus. There are many stories related to this. One among them is on March 25th. I think March 25th is one of the important days in Christianity. On that day, Mother Mary was told that she would be giving birth to a very special baby, that is Jesus. That happened on March 25th. From March 25th, 9 months is coming December 25th. Similarly, there are many other traditional ways also related to this. Though this happened 2000 years back, still we all celebrate Christmas because God has sent his son to the world as a Christmas gift to everyone. Christmas is celebrated not only Christians but everyone all over the world. It's the time for the friends and families to meet and greet, for sharing and caring, for the love and affection among each of us. On the day of Christmas or related to Christmas, we decorate our house with pine trees, lights, stars, etc. And it is the time for receiving and sharing the gifts as well. Next is the Father Christmas. We can see the first picture, Saint Nicholas. Our Sergeant at Arms already told many stories related to Saint Nicholas. He was a bishop and he was very rich. He inherited a lot of money from his parents, and at the same time he was very kind and generous too. He gave secret gifts to the people who are in need. And there was several stories related to Christmas kind or Kris Kringle. So the stories related to Saint Nicholas and Kris Kringle, there came Santa Claus. Santa Claus we can see in the picture with a red dress, long hat, an armful of gifts, and a smoking pipe in the hand. Next is elf. Elf is humankind supernatural being with mystical powers. Elf helps Santa. We can see the reindeers as well. For the reindeers helps to pull the sleigh through the night sky, and elf helps Santa for bringing the gifts. Next is Christmas or Xmas. Is it right to pronounce Xmas? No. It is correct to write Xmas, but the pronunciation should be Christmas only. The word X denotes, it is in the Greek language, the word X with a P on top of it represents Chris. It is in the Greek language. So this Christmas, X means X with a P on top of it, which is which denotes Christmas. While writing, we can write Xmas, but while pronunciation, it should be Christmas only. And also we can see a Christmas symbol. Fish is the Christmas symbol. In car or somewhere, if we are seeing a sticker with fish or anyone is wearing any badge with fish, we can assume that that person is following Christianity. It is the symbol of Christmas. Jesus Christ wanted his followers to be fishers of men. That's how the symbol came, fish. Next, Happy Christmas or Merry Christmas. We say Happy Birthday, Happy New Year, Happy Christmas. But when it comes to Christmas, we say only for Christmas, we say Merry Christmas. Merry means the joy, the happiness. Being happy and continue to be happy. That is Merry Christmas. It is taking us long years back, that tradition. And this is the first Christmas card where it was written, a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year to you. With this note, I would like to move on to our first session of this meeting, that is Word Master of the Day or Word of the Day. I would like to call the Word Master, Toastmaster Shweta, to present the Word of the Day. Thank you. Over to you, Toastmaster Shweta.
Shweta, you are muted. Shweta, you are muted.
Sorry. Good evening to one and all. Thank you to my mentor and the TMOD of today's session. I'm very pleased to be the word master for your club. Now, let me take this opportunity to introduce, instead of a word of a day, idiom of a day. Let me share my screen.
You are sharing it.
Yeah, screen is shared, right?
Yep.
It's clear. Yeah. So, let me tell you, what is an idiom? It's a commonly used expression in which the meaning of the word does not relate to the general meaning of the phrase. So, let me give you some clues to guess what could be the idiom of the day that's apt for today's theme. How many of you all bake delicious cakes? Can you all raise your hands? Yeah.
We don't know if it is delicious, but we do.
Yeah, of course it will be. How many of you all love to eat cake?
I think everyone.
How many of you all like to do straightforward tasks?
Piece of cake.
Yeah, you guessed it right. Yeah, so today's
Question paper got leaked.
yeah. I don't know who is behind this, but then yeah. Okay, so it's a piece of cake, a straightforward task that can be done easily. So yeah, just a sentence, I'll say it's very easy, but then yeah, for experienced Toastmasters like Toastmaster Rajalakshmi, taking up the TMOD role is just a piece of cake. So yeah, there are some, yeah, for this same meaning, there are other idioms which is similar to it. So I'll show you what are they. Similar ones are, we often might have heard kids saying as easy as pie, a walk in the park, a breeze. So some examples for these are, making an Oreo cake is as easy as pie for my kids. Like to use the idiom, a walk in the park, a new washing machine, my new washing machine makes washing clothes a walk in the park. Or to use the idiom, a breeze, solving the puzzle was a breeze, but I would have preferred if it was slightly more challenging. So now let me ask you, it's your turn. How will you use it? A piece of cake. All of you come up with few words with piece of cake.
Biryani making for Raghu is a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Biryani and cake.
And eating that or devouring that is a piece of cake for
Cake.
all Toastmasters.
Yeah.
The word of the day is a piece of cake to use in the speeches today.
Yeah.
For Ian, energizing the Toastmasters meeting is a piece of cake.
Yeah, very true. Well said.
Word of the day might be a piece of cake, but to use it in certain circumstances, not a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the others can try the breeze and was it breeze?
Yeah, that also you can try. As easy as a pie, a walk in the park, a breeze. Anybody would like to try?
Come on, come on. TMOD, try.
SCCS pie.
Come on, Saurabh.
We thought winning the debate competition would be a walk in the park, but we faced the challenge.
It was a walk in the Jurassic Park.
Yeah.
The way of presentation of Wordmaster by Toastmaster Sheda is like a walk in the park.
Okay, menti mentor both are going on praising each other. Kya hai?
Okay. Okay, then thank you so much. And over to Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Toastmaster Shweta. You can stop sharing the screen.
Okay. You can share. I think it will be stopped.
No, I don't have anything to share now.
Okay. Then I will stop. Let me just.
It doesn't want to stop. It wants to
stop.
Yeah. Okay. Next is the most important session, that is prepared speeches. For the prepared speeches session, we have 3 speakers today, and the first speaker would be Toastmaster Prasad. Before Toastmaster Prasad takes over, I would like to call Toastmaster Ian, the evaluator for Toastmaster Prasad, to read out the objectives.
Okay, just give me a second, please.
Yeah.
Okay, Toastmasters Prasad. The purpose of this project is for the member to practice the skills needed to connect with an unfamiliar audience. And the time is 5 to 7 minutes. Good luck, Toastmaster Prasad.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ian. Toastmaster Prasad, accept, relax, proceed. Accept, relax, proceed. Toastmaster Prasad.
Am I
Yes,
audible?
you are.
School days are the golden era of a child's life. Do you agree?
Yes.
What is the first thing
agree, yeah.
you remember from your school days?